Class 10th. In this chapter, we started when the teacher Miss Mason, she got the letter from Banda's father. Means this page I made you understand. Then what happened? In that letter it has been written that Banda and her brother, they will not come to school from that very day. All the class students, they shocked. They became silent. Miss Mason also. But she did not show her anger at all. She simply said that she believed that no students from that room number 13 could do misbehavior with Banda and her brother. Right? I made you understand this page also that Maddie and Peggy, they wanted to meet Banda and they went to Bogging Heights. They went there as they want to realize herself or themselves that they were not mean at all to ask her how many dresses she had. Right? So after completing this page, we also had completed this, and the last paragraph I am making you understand. That is why you can connect yourself from the live class when I taught you this chapter. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up, even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. She had no way of making things right with Banda, but from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Who is saying these lines? Guess first you. Yes, Maddie. She said. And she was very determined that now from that very day she would not make fun of any students who had nothing or who had the few things. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Banda Petronsky. Now they had decided that they had to write a letter to Banda and they spent their afternoon. They were writing a letter to Banda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Banda she had won. It was just a friendly letter, means there was nothing written about the apology, about the 100 dresses and other things. So it was a just friendly letter only, and it had been told in the letter about the contest and telling Banda she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were. They had written that her drawings, they were very pretty, and they asked her if she liked where she was living. Means now where she was living, if she liked the place and if she liked her new teacher. They had mean to say they were sorry. They mean to say, means Peggy and Maddie both, that they were sorry. But it ended up with they are just writing a friendly letter and they did not say anything at all. The kind they would have written to any good friend. And they signed it with lots of X for love. Means they did not sign as, means those two girls were writing the letter. They mailed the letter to Bogging Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. And they just post the letter to that particular place where she was living since before, Banda and family. So that the letter, it could reach from that particular place. Days passed and there was no answer. But the letter did not come. Letter, it did not come. There was no answer. Or maybe Banda had received it. They thought Maybe Banda received or not. Perhaps means maybe she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. It may be that she was so hurt because of the behavior of those girls, and she was angry also. That is why she was not going to give any answer. And they could not blame her. Weeks went by, means times it went by, and still Banda did not answer. Peggy, she was very practical and she had begun to forget the whole business. Business means whole matter. And Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Banda. Maddie, she began to sleep at night but with the dreams of Banda, defending her from great crowds of girls, and she used to see the dream that between all many girls, between the crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with how many dresses have you got, and before Banda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, means as she was just reflecting herself in the place of Banda. Mary would cry out, "Stop!" Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. And everybody means the girls, they were just teasing her in the dream. They felt ashamed the way, means just like the way she used to feel when Banda she was teasing since before in the school. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school, before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. Again, the teacher is going to show in the class a letter. What letter she had received that morning? And she just going to read that letter, and she addressed the class. You remember Banda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest. And she introduced Banda Petronsky as gifted little artist, and she remembered the class also that she won the drawing contest. Well, she has written me, means a letter from Banda's side, and she was glad to know where she lives. Now teacher, she came to know where Banda lives with her family, because now she can send her medal. Now teacher is able to send her medal because she knew the address of her, and she wanted to read the letter to her. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. The class, it sat up. All the students, they were sitting properly and they were interested also. It was written for teacher. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room 13. Means first she asked about the teacher, and room number 13 means for the class. Then again she started, please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses. Means she wanted to tell all the girls that they can keep those 100 dresses, means the sketches. Because in my new house, means because in her new house she had 100 new ones all lined up in her closet. She would like to that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with red trimming, and her friend Maddie to have the blue one for Christmas. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. She again told the teacher that she was missing that school and the teacher. It was not equalized with Miss Mason. Merry Christmas to teacher and everybody. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. Means the drawing, it was just gifted from Banda. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Means it was, wreath means decorated. Outside the grocery store, Hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked. Means at that time, all they were selling the Christmas trees. And in the windows, candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopias of shiny transparent paper were strung. Means all the decorated things, chocolate, toffees, all they were just hanging here and there for selling. The air smelled like Christmas and light shining. Everywhere reflected different colors of the on the snow. Boy, said Peggy. The word boy I made you understand in first chapter means 100 dresses first. What could be the meaning of this? Means for a friend. It is said boy, not for a particular boy. This shows she really likes us. Then Peggy, she said that it shows, means as she just gifted the dresses sketches, she really likes us. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything's all right, and that's that. Then Maddie, she also said sadly, but she was not happy at all because she knew the truth, because she knew the problem of Banda, as she kept herself in the place of Banda. So she simply said she hopes. She hopes so also. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl again and could not even really make things right between them. She knew the reality. That is why she said, and she could not say anything. She went home and she pinned her drawings over a torn place. Torn place means as she was living in a poor house also. In the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive, means because of that drawing, the shabby means old, where the balls are born, alive from the brilliancy of the colors. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. But Banda had been nice to her anyway. Tears blurred her eyes. It began to fell, tears. And she gazed for a long time at the picture, means that picture. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress were so vivid. Vivid means in very broad description. She had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing, but it looked like her, Maddie. It really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? Banda had really drawn this for her. Means now she is thinking that the drawing in reality, the drawing it had been made for her only. Excitedly she ran over to Peggy's. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Peggy asked. As they clattered up to her room, where Banda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. But Peggy, she did not just paste on the wall, it was just lying on the bed only. Maddie carefully raised it. Raised it means take in her hand. Look, she drew you, that's you, she exclaimed. And she had the face of the picture did look like Peggy. When she saw the picture, it was just looking Peggy, as she thought. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must really liked us anyway. Again, Peggy said that she liked them. Yes, she must have, agreed Peggy. And she blinked away, means she wiped the eyes of her that came every time she thought of Banda, standing alone in the sunny spot in the schoolyard. Looking stolidly means alone, over at the group of laughing girls. After she had walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them all night. And now they had realized the reality of Banda, the actual artist as Banda.